Hello folks, remember that old video of how to watch television? Well, I'm going to do a remake, how to use the refrigerator. That's the ice, which we never use, magnets. And how you use the refrigerator is open the door. Yay! And there's drinks. And also a drawer. That's how you get some food. There's one more drawer. And if you're thirsty, all you gotta do is just grab a drink and pour yourself something to drink. Or if you want food, all you gotta do is grab the eggs or watermelon, whatever we got in here. Or if you're not a cook, the next best thing can be what's in this freezer. Pizzas, all kind of stuff. So I mostly eat the pizza. Desserts. So if you want to make something quick, you can also use the microwave. Or if you just want something else even quicker, you can use the toaster. Or you can use the deep fryer. Yay! Peace.